Hello everyone, my name is Wang Xiao. I'm from China. I'm very glad to attend this online conference. Today, my research topic is case study of collaborative urban design based on generative modeling and simulation. Firstly, there are some background information. The topic or the question is from the real projects. In the practice, we found that the design process is lack of the participant of some important stakeholders, such as governors, residents. This kind of communication needs a quick and real-time tools to show the scan and the adjustment. According to our previous work, we found the digital generative method is a good solution. So in this study, we try to explore the application strategies and workflow of the generative modeling, and to figure out does it work at different scales in different design contexts and on different design purpose. So the platform we selected here is SimAUD2020. It is a rule-based morphological modeling tool. It can generate a city model rapidly by its specific shape grammar language called CGA, short for Computer Generative Architecture. So case number one is district remodeling for local traditional district conservation. In this project, we identify three stakeholders in the collaborative process. Firstly, for architect, the traditional features analysis contains how to obtain, analyze, as well as share information. Based on the research achievement on samples, architects can extract the rules which have influence on the traditional features. It means the rules can control the model generation automatically in the next step. According to the logical CGA grammar, the generative modeling can be conducted step by step, as you can see. In SimAUD2020, if you apply the rule files into a specific lot, you can get the model immediately. From the tree diagram, you can see how the morphological elements grow and their relationships. For decision maker, the government in this project can get multiple design schemes in both overall and detail views. It is convenient to get the corresponding index such as area, height for further policy making. The generative result can also be printed to establish the conservation guideline for officers and house owners. And for residents, they can choose a proper scheme according to their own situation. On the same side, you can see they can get different results as a reference because part of buildings in this district are privacy. It is unpractical to force all local people to renew their house. So for spontaneous renewal, this kind of menu under the feature control will be helpful to maintain the local traditional characteristics. Case number two is a modern urban design project in Nanjing Zidong area. This area is planned as a new subcenter of Nanjing, so the aim is very ambitious. It is to make an effort to create ecological priority, innovation-driven, and future-leading urban morphology and environment in this area. So we also identify three stakeholders in this project for collaborative process. Firstly, researchers in related disciplines analyze the mainly influence factors, for example, the environment, economy, and transportation. the calculated results, as well as the primary construction condition provided by the clients, become the rules of next generation design stage. Designers can make the initial structure or the space pattern in SimAUD2020 according to the basic data. For the urban texture, a simplified method is to fill the module on each block. These modules, as you can see on the slide, is summarized according to the design expectation and morphology orientation. For example, the commercial block we wanted has tower buildings, and the apartments looks like slab-type buildings. And then each type of module has their own grow rules and corresponding parameters in SimAUD2020. Then we can get a rule scheme for further discussion and adjustment. If the design conditions changed, you can adjust related factors or initial shapes. Then the whole form and quantities of the urban design can be changed immediately. As you can see, the related indicators in the dashboard, such as area, height, FAR, proportion of each land use, is shown on this. Users can also change the parameters to adjust the details, the detail shapes interactively. For decision maker, in the early design stage, decision makers would like to know not only the space texture, but also the relevant development indicators. It is necessary for the government or for managers to control the direction of the whole design in the real project. So in SimAUD2020, they can compare different schemes easily. These are two schemes in this project. Actually, this research is still a demo. In the further development, for example, City Engine is still too professional for ordinary people, I think. We need to find or make more accessible platform and more powerful interactive functions for users or for governors. We also need to find the proper ways to exchange the data and analyze the results, something like that. So we still have more further research. So it is mainly about my research. Thank you very much.